Hey, let me show you step by step how Surveoo works. Registration, first earnings, payouts, plus some honest downsides so you know if it's worth your time. What you see now is my review of the Surveoo website. Read it carefully because it contains a lot of interesting information and tips. Quick note, the link in the description is my affiliate link. If you sign up through it, thanks. No hype, no get-rich-fast promises, just reality. Surveoo is a survey platform. It's best if you want some side income, something to do while having coffee or during a break. It's extra cash, not a full salary. Click Register, enter your email, set a strong password, and confirm your address. Tip: use a separate email for surveys. Easier to keep track of notifications. After filling in all the details, click Continue and then Agree, and a panel will appear for you to complete the information. Most importantly, fill in your demographic profile and interests. The more accurate you are, the more relevant surveys you will receive. Answer honestly and consistently. The systems can detect inconsistencies. Another important thing is that you must confirm your registration via the activation link that will be sent to your email address. Check your spam folder if you do not see the message. Now I will fill in all my personal details, i.e. my address, city, postal code, country, date of birth, and gender. After entering the data, I click Save My Information. Now let's move on to the Paid Surveys tab. Here's the dashboard. You see survey length and payout. I start with short ones, 5 to 10 minutes. If you see qualification, those are screening questions to check if you fit the study. Let's jump in. If it kicks you out, don't worry, that's normal. Just move on to the next one. Usually it takes a few tries before landing a completed survey. In the Payouts tab, you'll see the methods and the minimum threshold. Always double-check what's available in your account and in your country. Terms can change. There's also a referral program. If you invite friends, you can earn bonuses. Just be honest with them about how it works. Now, I'll give you some quick tips to get you started. Enable email notifications. Block out survey time daily. Update your profile every few weeks. Never use a VPN. And don't click randomly. Consistency is key. Now, the downsides. Survey availability depends on your profile. Sometimes lots, sometimes none. You'll often get screened out. Long surveys aren't always worth the payout. And there's usually a minimum withdrawal amount and waiting time. Patience is part of the deal. If you want to try it, links in the description. Test it for 2 to 3 days and see if the pace fits you. Got questions? Drop a comment. Good luck.